Hello, and a warm welcome to Complete Course on Data Science. My name is Anjali, and I'm going to teach you all the necessary things that you need to become a data scientist. Most of the people, data science and machine learning is a bit confusing and complex. Here I shall be trying to differentiate between them and understand what we are going to study in this series. Before getting into the exact curriculum, let us understand few terms that we are going to use more often in this series. They are data, algorithm, and inference. Suppose we have data collected for a group of students. Let's say we have 60 observations in total. Each observation represents a student who shared their satisfaction and result. Now let us suppose your college authority hired a consultancy firm to analyze student behavior. Now dividing the students into group of individuals with similar traits to reduce complexity and come up with ideas to improve students' percentage and improve their overall result. In order to do that, we have to apply the concept of machine learning to the given data of the students. For that, we can have a data set, and with the help of that, we can draw a scatter plot. Here we can see that on x-axis, we take the satisfaction, and on y, let it be the result. And here we can clearly see that there are three distinct clusters in this image. But by just plotting the data, we got a mere visualization that few students have low satisfaction and low result, whereas there are few with high satisfaction and high result. There is no clear insight that we can get out from this data, right? So this is just a simple visualization of the data that we have collected from our 60 observations. But talking of details, we can draw a lot of insight through this result, and for that we need to apply certain algorithms on this particular data. Here we shall be making use of machine learning and the algorithms for unsupervised clustering. Now, by the application of machine learning, that is the cluster analysis, we can divide these plotted clusters into distinct groups of poor performing students, average students, enthusiastic students, and rank holders. Now, these four distinct labels are the inferences or insight that we got from the data by applying algorithm. And with this, the decisions are made to improve both the satisfaction and the result of the student. We can do this by making certain changes in our teaching environment. We can increase the student to teacher ratio. We can organize competition. We can give incentives or scholarship to the students, etc. Why it is necessary to understand these three terms. In this day and age, maintaining a healthy business goes hand in hand alongside working with data. Whether you understand it or not, data is at the foundation of any business. Therefore, looking deep into the data is essential to survive, grow, and combat competitions. What we have is a data team responsible for collecting and representing the available data. Then we have business intelligence team, which provides the insight from that collected data. And at the end, we make use of data science team to do some analytics to develop models that can predict future outcomes for decision making. For better understanding, one must realize the constant evolution of data science industry. Suppose Lena works in an organization as a statistician 25 years ago. She was responsible for gathering and cleaning data sets and then applying statistical methods. For this, she can make use of simple tool like Excel sheet. After some time, however, with the growth of data and improvement of technology, she would now require to extract patterns from the data. Now, this process will be termed as data mining. Few years, with more mathematical advancements, she can make use of new models for performing more accurate forecast, and this process will be now termed as predictive analytics. Now, for this, Microsoft Excel is not a tool because now data is a big data. So she can make use of programming languages like Python or R. For computing, she can make use of Hadoop or Spark. For visualization, Tableau or Jupyter Notebook. And for deep learning, she can make use of TensorFlow or Scikit-learn. And now she can proudly call her as a data scientist. Finally, let us now understand the data science process. The first step will be to understand the business problem. That is what we are actually dealing with. Second is collecting the data for the same from all the available sources. Then in the third step, we need to clean the data and do exploration on that data so that it will be very easy to draw insight out of it. Now, we can build mathematical models with the help of machine learning for predictive analysis. And in the last, after predicting and analysis of the data, we can collect the insight from it, with which we can try and make relevant futuristic business decisions. One of the most common examples of data science is used by shopping sites as recommendation systems. For instance, Amazon gives you product recommendation based on your previous purchases and search results. In healthcare industry, data coming from wearable devices could be useful in doing predictive analysis of heart disease, blood pressure, weight gain, or in some cases, sound asleep. We can use that data and do the predictive analysis that whether a person is prone to such diseases or not. Therefore, we can make use of data science to analyze the data collected from those smart devices and predict the health of the person. I hope that clarifies what data science is. This video clears that data science is a field of study that combines domain expertise, programming skills, knowledge of mathematics and statistics to extract meaningful insights from data. I hope this cleared the definition. And for more such informative videos, stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.